Broken, I wanted to take just a quick moment to talk today about what exactly is chiropractic and how is it important in my life. So ultimately, chiropractic is, actually the definition means done by hand. And over the years, we've done a disservice by trying to advertise the concept around neck pain and back pain, but ultimately it goes so much further. Did you know that in utero, in the first 2 weeks of development, when you're in your mother's belly, you're developing your notochord, which is where the cells envelop, but ultimately the nervous system starts to develop with that. So within the first 2 weeks, you have a fully functioning, the beginning of a fully functioning central nervous system where a signal from the brain will send a signal down to the hand to open or close, or where you'll feel sensation or be able to smell. It's a very important system. That's why it's the very first system that actually develops when your body is developing as a young baby, right? So the important thing is, as a chiropractor, somebody trained to work with the central nervous system and work with the bones and muscles associated with the spine, what we do is just like an electrician goes into the circuit box in the kitchen. If the lights are off in the kitchen and we can't turn them on and off with a switch, we go to the circuit breaker. We find out where is that switch switched, we turn that switch back on, and electricity begins to flow to the area again. Now ultimately pain begins to go away and is reduced, but even better, whatever that nerve is going to, whether it's the thyroid or whether it's the lungs, or it's the adrenals, or it's the heart, those things will get the electricity that they need to actually function, because ultimately at the end of the day, we are an electrical body. So it's powerful to have your spine and nervous system checked, make sure everything's flowing properly, because if you're doing all the nutritional aspects, which is fantastic, you're doing all the detoxification, you're doing all the things to pull the toxicity out and give the nutrients that the body's needing, whether excess or deficiency, what we've talked about. It's important to do those things, but ultimately if the structural aspect of the body, where the electrical circuits that are running to the thyroid are not getting the signaling through, okay, then you're going to have breakdown in the system. That organ won't function as powerfully. That system won't be as magnificent. So ultimately, we want to remove the interference so the human body can begin to flow properly again. So hopefully this information was valuable today and it can help you begin to take your power back. Have a great day.